So far, the remains of about 2,000 of our ancestors have been found by archaeologists worldwide. These fossils represent the source of practically everything we know about these ancestors. Most of these findings are from the past 100,000 years. Hardly anything has been found from the 6 million years prior to that. Entire skeletons have hardly ever been discovered. In most cases, it was only skull fragments or teeth that were excavated. Let's take a look at the major milestones in human evolution during phylogenesis about 6,000 years ago. The evolutionary path of chimpanzees and the ancestors to humans support. Therefore, we can state that humans are not descended from apes, we just share a common ancestor. About 3.5 million years ago, the so-called southern apes evolved from this common ancestor. They were no longer living in trees but learned to walk bipedally. Though this proved quite challenging for them, they never left the safety of the African jungle. Apart from plants, their diet included meat as well. However, they did not hunt just yet. They only ate carrion, but consuming meat, aiding in their evolution, thus aiding them in rising above apes. Their skull was barely larger than that of Chinchin. They are considered to be the first ones to use tools. However, they did not use rocks, just simple tweaks to perform smaller actions, and these tools were not yet codified. Simultaneously, with the southern ape 2.5 million years ago, the so-called Homo habilis, the handyman, developed. They made their tools of flint by chipping stone, giving it a sharp edge. Very useful for cutting harder pieces of fruit or carrion left by wild animals. 2,000 years ago, hominids spread everywhere on Earth. Besides the southern gate and Homo habilis, Homo erectus, the upright man, also appeared. During the next 500,000 years, these three generals of hominids lived alongside each other. We still do not know for certain how they might have reacted to occasionally bumping into each other. Did they become aggressive or live peacefully side by side? Or perhaps they just eyed each other from top to bottom and walked away? We will never know, but one thing is certain. The southern ape and Homo habitus became extinct about 1.5 million years ago, so Homo erectus was left by itself for the next million years, contributing significantly to the evolution of humanity.